Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Basically I wanted to present you is in Hololens field of view. That is a project that allows you to see if the object is in the Hololens field of view. It's not the best code ever, but it worked well for some situation, and so let's see. So basically when I press play, it will use another technique that I call the one mesh pool. As you can see, we have 600 asteroids in the scene, and here we have 600 bullets in the scene. And basically, when I will press click, it will fire the bullets. And the technique is based on the fact that I don't create asteroid or bullet, I don't destroy them, I don't destroy the bullet and the asteroid. It means that they are always rendered. As you can see here, the number of triangle is not moving, the number of bash is not moving too. It means that I only have one bash per object multiplied by 2 because we are in augmented reality with two camera. You can also see that here the enemies are only visible in the small rectangular, that is the HoloLens field of view. And I'm on Windows Mixed Reality, so basically it's how I train myself to check if the game is good enough for the HoloLens without compiling. So how the code is done behind. So we have two code, the one of the pool mesh design and the one of the HoloLens. I will start by the one of the HoloLens. So basically you have here a 3D model with the field of view of the HoloLens that I done by measuring the HoloLens field of view in real life and by applying here. On the mesh I have a mesh, convex and is trigger, and the script here, as you can see, it's just making it's just checking that if someone is entering in the trigger zone, if it's HoloLens view affectable, then we say that it's visible, and else we'll say that it's not. And basically that's all. When for the object that will enter the zone, as you can see, for example here I have this plane. We'll maybe take a red one here, this one. Basically what will happen, it's as you can see, there is a script that is called HoloLens field of view affect scale mono. He inherits from HoloLens view affectable, and basically it means that when he will enter, this method will be called, and we'll check, we'll give the local scale that we save at the start here, and if it's not visible we will say that it's almost 0. So it will never disappear from the scene, but yeah, it will be like deactivated. If you want to do a version that is more proper to your project, you just have to inherit from this and to say I deactivate it and I activate it, or whatever you want, if it's moving the object in another place, or I don't know, anything. For the part of the here all the object moving around, you can see that I have kind of plenty of script here. So I have one that's called pool object defaults, and I have another one here that is pool object listen scale. Basically what happened here is that my pool object is here, it's called a one mesh pool. I have a name here for the pool object, a list of objects I'm listening that are basically some pool object defaults. And if you look at here, you can see that it's pool object. Basically it's when someone say I want this pool from a far distance. If someone say I want this pool, one of the objects, he will just increment the index here and take one of them, and one of them is based on this. If he said that he wants to disable the object, it will go here, and basically he will activate the Unity event. Here manually I did not add something, but basically here I had add the script pool object listener scale, and what this tool do is just say, when the object appear, can you listen to the change of state, and if it's change of state, we'll scale the object or scale down the object. And yeah, basically that's all. It's a small project here, but I really like this kind of code, and so I wanted to show you for the postmortem of this project. Postmortem will mean that I will not work on it anymore, but I will try to recycle the code for my other projects. So thanks for listening. If you want the code, feel free to ask it on the or to access it on the description. If you like my research, you can put some money on it by using the Patreon or by offering me a beer. And see you next time. May the code be with you. Bye bye.